Asphalt Shingle option for Tranquility Barrel saunas. Please make sure you have the following items: insert 2-inch screws into the triangle support pieces. Install the triangle support pieces halfway up the sauna, 42 inches from the base of the sauna. Install the next piece in the center of the sauna. Then install one centered between the first two. Install one on the opposite end and another one in the middle. Then one centered between the last two. Place the ice and water shield support boards and secure to the triangle pieces with 1.5-inch screws. Repeat the process on the other side. Peel the film off the back of the ice and water shield. Place it on the sauna and secure it with roofing nails. Repeat with the next strip. Make sure to overlay it on top of the smooth portion of the previous strip. Continue this process until all the strips are placed. Cut off all the excess ice and water shield. Install the trim pieces onto the front of the sauna with 1.5-inch screws. The center trim piece you may have to cut to make it fit. Now begin placing the shingles on the roof and securing with roofing nails. Cut off the excess shingle and use this to start the next row. Be sure to avoid hitting the aluminum bands with the nails. Again, cut off the excess shingle and use this to start the next row. On the fourth row, start again with the full shingle. Repeat this pattern until you reach the top center of the sauna. Once you finish the top center, start the process again on the other side. With the final row, secure both the middle and the top of the shingles. Cut off any remaining excess shingles and ensure the edges are flush with the sauna. Now install the trim pieces onto the back of the sauna and secure with 1.5-inch screws. Again, the center trim piece may have to be cut to fit. Your roof is now complete.